Hindustan Lever's close-up gel appealed to the customers, particularly to the teens and young, very well and toppled promise from the second position. Supported by the Export-Import Bank of India's Export Marketing Finance (EMF) program and development assistance, Balsra entered the Malaysian market with Promise and other brand of toothpaste Miswak. The emphasis on the clove oil ingredients of the Promise evoked good response in Malaysia too. There was good response to Miswak also in the Muslim-dominated Malaysia. Its promotion highlighted the fact that Miswak was a plant that had been used for centuries as a tooth cleaning tool. It had references in Quran quoting from Faisal A. Miswak. It was pointed out that Prophet Muhammad used miswak before sleeping at night and after awakening. The religious appeal in the promotion was reinforced by the findings of scientists all over the world, including Arabic ones, of the antibacterial property of cloves and its ability to prevent tooth decay and gums. Market intelligence revealed that there was a growing preferences in the advanced countries from the natural-based products. Balsra tied up with the Oromir Imports Inclusive Los Angeles, an agency established by American followers Aurobindo Group and Indian philosopher Saint. 8 months of intensive R&D enabled Balsra to develop a toothpaste containing 24 herbal ingredients and that would satisfy the required parameters. Oromir was the #1 toothpaste in northeastern USA in a USA Health magazine survey in 1991. The product line was extended by the introducing several variants of Oromir. Saccharine toothpaste was introduced. It was found that mint and menthol were taboo for users of homeopathic medicines. Mint containing a combination of cinnamon and peppermint was also introduced. When the company realized that Oromil was not doing well in Germany because of the foaming agent used in the product, it introduced a chemical variant and of the product. Now we will discuss some key issues of Balsra Group. An Indian company, Balsra Hygiene Product Limited, entered into the global market. The main products of the company are the herbal products which are used as homeopathic medicines. Balsra entered in the Malaysian market with Promise and another brand of toothpaste, Miswak. Balsra tied up with Oromir Imports Inclusive AAII Los Angeles for further R&D. So here is a case studies of Balsra Group. Question number 1. Explain the environmental factors which Balsra used to its advantage. Following environmental factors are used by Balsra for its advantage, that is, global environment, technological environment, and cultural environment. Global environment. With the help of EMF program, Balsra entering into the global market, that is Malaysia, and also ties up with the American company for R&D program and expand their product line. Through this, they were able to satisfy customers by manufacturing as per the requirement of the customers. Technological environment. Balsra used modern and latest technology for increasing their productivity and for the completion of tasks effectively and efficiently. The changing concept of technology and customer preferences, company produce only natural and herbal products. Through R&D, Balsra extended their products which are used in homeopathic medicines. Cultural environment. After entering into Malaysian market, company starts focusing on the Miswak toothpaste. It's get good response among the Muslims because of its promotion highlighted. The promotion highlighted the fact that Miswak is a plant that used for centuries and it also referenced in Quran. Its religious quoting appeal evoked a good response, that is Faisal A. Miswak. Now, second case study. What is the strength of AII to market Ayurvedic toothpaste in USA? All strength in marketing Oromer was based on the promise, assurance of quality, purity, value, and potence when choosing these products from AAII. Main goal of Oromer was to promote optimal health with the highest quality nutritional supplements, vitamins, and herbal products available at affordable prices. Oromer does not compromise on quality of the products, and it only buys its ingredients from screened and approved high quality suppliers, and hence voted as number one toothpaste in northeastern USA in a US Health magazine survey. Third case study. Implications of product customization as attempted in case of Oromer. It was found that mint and menthol were taboo for users of homeopathic medicine, so a product free of such mints was developed. Oromer fresh mint for the young and Oromer cinnamon containing a combination of cinnamon and peppermint were also introduced. Thank you.